Your morning coffee boost, the copper in your phone, even cows. These are part of the 7 C's, key commodities telling us about the economy. Hey everyone, Tunç here. Ever heard of these 7 C's of commodities? Sounds like a pirate map or something, right? It's actually a handy list of 7 key raw materials that give us big clues about the economy. Let's break them down. The 7 C's are cocoa, coffee, corn, crude oil like gasoline, cotton, copper, and cattle. A finance pro named Peter Borish really popularized tracking these specific 7. Why these? Because they're super diverse and used in so many things we consume daily. Foods, clothes, energy, technology, they have a huge influence. Think of them like economic indicators. When the prices of many of these C's start moving up together, it can be an early signal that inflation, the rising cost of pretty much everything, might be picking up steam. It's like checking the economic weather forecast. So how can you, as a beginner, get involved with commodities? Buying a barrel of crude oil or a herd of cattle isn't exactly practical. And things like futures contracts, way too complex and risky for starting out. For most folks, the more accessible routes are first investing in stocks of companies that produce these things. Think mining companies for copper, big agricultural companies for corn, or major oil producers. Second, using ETFs, exchange-traded funds, or mutual funds. These funds bundle together investments related to commodities, making it easier and often cheaper to get diversified exposure. This is usually the go-to for beginners. Now, why even consider commodities? A big advantage is diversification. Commodity prices often zig when stocks sag, which can help smooth out bumps in your overall investment portfolio. Plus, they can act as an inflation hedge. When inflation rises, the prices of raw materials often rise too. But there is a catch: volatility. Commodity prices can swing wildly. Think about how gas prices jump around. They're super sensitive to global supply and demand, political events, weather, you name it. It can be a very bumpy ride. Remember, commodities are the basic raw ingredients. Investing in copper is different from investing in a company that makes things out of copper. As legendary Warren Buffett said, diversification is protection against ignorance. While commodities can be a part of a diversified plan, understand the risks involved. Ready to research? Head down to caption. I've created a specific AI prompt you can use to find ETFs related to those commodities. Go give it a try. Cheers.